In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Typeform. Let's dive right in, starting from the very beginning. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a Typeform account if you haven't already. Head over to the Typeform website, create a free account, and log in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in your workspace, the central hub where all the magic begins. Now that you're logged in and ready to start designing, let's create your new form. Look for the option that says Create a New Form and click on it. You'll have a few choices here, but for today, we'll stick with starting from scratch to help you learn the ropes. Although, if you're curious, Typeform does offer templates and even tools to import questions or use AI suggestions to save time or spark ideas. With your new form open, it's time to add some questions. Typeform offers a variety of question types, such as short text and multiple choice, that you can use to engage your respondents. Simply select the type from the question menu and start by typing your first question into the Your Question Here field. Adding more questions is as easy as clicking the +Add Content button. Feel free to mix and match question types to create an engaging flow. One of the standout features of Typeform is its ability to personalize the experience for respondents. By using the symbol, you can include answers from previous questions into later ones, making your form interactive and tailored to each user's responses. This is a fantastic way to keep respondents engaged by acknowledging their input throughout the form. Once you have your questions down, you'll want to take a look at the settings for each one. Use the sidebar to configure these settings to suit your needs. As you make adjustments, take advantage of Typeform's preview features. You can easily switch between mobile and desktop views to see how your form will look on different devices. Reorganizing your questions is a breeze with the drag-and-drop functionality, or you can use the three-dot menu to duplicate or remove questions. To give your form a polished and inviting look, try styling it with images or videos. Click the plus icon to upload media or choose from Typeform's options. Also, use the Design panel to customize the overall theme, colors, and fonts to align with your brand or vision. Next, let's add some logic to your form. The Workflow Logic tab enables you to introduce branching logic, create quizzes, or even set up pathways that lead to different endings based on the respondent's answers. This makes your form not only more dynamic, but also more meaningful for the people filling it out. Speaking of endings, click on the Endings tab to craft one or more closing screens. This is your chance to thank respondents, direct them to additional resources, or provide further instructions if needed. When you're satisfied with your form, preview it to make sure everything looks and functions as intended. Remember, autosave is active, but double-check by saving manually to be sure. Finally, to share your masterpiece with the world, click on Share to get a publishable URL or an embed code. While previews are helpful, keep in mind that only published forms will gather responses. There you have it, a complete walkthrough of creating your very first Typeform. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you're excited to start engaging with your audience in a whole new way.